Hi guys, this is Saran from Override. In this video, we'll be taking a look at this laptop bag from Arctic Hunter. We here at Override have been searching for a laptop bag for quite some time and we ended up here. So let me share my personal experience with this one with you guys in this video. Let's jump right to the content. In this day and age, almost every one of us use a laptop. Where there is a laptop, there is a need for a laptop bag to carry it and to keep it safely. But not only protection, the laptop bag must also be quite roomy to carry around stuff, right? So there must be a perfect balance between reliability and protection. Hence I bought a laptop recently. I've been searching for a laptop bag too. And I almost bought every laptop bag from the market, including the laptop brand provided ones and third party ones, but they are not quite there yet. But after some relentless purchasing and returning the products, I found this. This is Arctic Hunter's laptop bag. This bag doesn't have any great reviews in the internet, so I bought it skeptically, but to my surprise it was quite good. So here I am making a review about this product. So enough of the talking and let's take a closer look at it. Let me start with the design. The bag comes in all black stealthy minimalistic exterior, and for the placement of the branding it's very clean. The bag doesn't stand out much at all, and it has a leather-like finish here which is aesthetically pleasing and looks good. I'm a guy who prefers black color a lot, so overall the design is awesome for me. It's a great match for professionals as it is very classy. I would say it is quite a good looking one. Now moving on to its build, it feels very premium and does not feel cheap at all, even though it is one, as the material used here are of very good quality. If you guys are wondering what material it is made up of, it's nylon fabric. And if you guys look closely, there is a subtle honeycomb design going on, which I really like a lot. And the zippers in this bag are also quite reliable and of very good quality materials. So, for design and build, I would give this bag 9 out of 10. Plus, this bag has water resistance, which is a plus, right? Yes, you guys heard me right. This bag even has water resistant. In our testing, it handled small spills and splashes without any issue. So don't expect it to be a complete waterproof. For example, if you are going out on a ride and there is sudden rain, it can handle for a few minutes until you take shelter. So guys, don't go swimming with it, okay? Sorry about my lame joke, we'll just move on. There are still some things I have to discuss about the exterior part of the bag. I hope you guys can see this. This is the USB port. This is the one feature none of the competition provide. If some of you guys wondering why there is a USB port out here, isn't it obvious? To keep a power bank inside and charge up your devices through this port. It's convenient, right? In addition to the USB port, this bag also features an headphone hole, which connects straight to this compartment over here. The reason for this hole is that you can carry your phones inside the bag safely and use your headphones at the same time. This is the great addition for wired earphone users. Now we'll be moving on to the next important part of the exterior, the back of the bag. Now looking at the back side, straight away we'll notice two S-curved shoulder straps with excellent thick mesh padding, which are very soft and breathable. And same kind of padding is used all around the back side, which makes this bag very comfortable to wear. And this bag has continued the use of good quality materials here too. It is one of the comfiest bag I ever used. And here is a luggage strap, which is another convenient little feature used to attach your bags to a trolley bag while you travel. I don't have a trolley bag right now, or else I will show you guys. I hope you guys can get it. And plus you also get these two reflectors in the bag for your safety. These are all the little features which makes this bag amazing and stand out from its competition. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, you also get these small quick access pockets in the straps. Maybe you can store small changes or something important here to access it quickly while on the go. And it is also supposed to be an anti-theft mechanism, as nobody cannot access it without you noticing it. So yeah. Now coming to the sides, you have two bottle holders in total, each in a side. So you can carry multiple water bottles to stay hydrated. The bottle holders are big, it can easily accommodate a big water bottle. Okay, that's it for the exterior. Now we'll be moving on to the interior and the storage capacity. Taking a look, there are 3 main compartments in total. We'll be seeing it one by one. Starting with the main compartment. It has 2 zippers. Opening it, we have the large main compartment and a laptop holder. This compartment is the largest storage space in this bag. The storage is large enough that you can use this bag also as a tour bag. Plus you also have 4 large pockets in this compartment, which are large enough that it can easily accommodate my laptop's power adapter, which is quite big. So a power bank or hard disk or a similar thing should not be an issue. Moving on, in this main compartment, we have the laptop holder. I would say this is where the bag stands out a lot. As you guys can see, this has unbelievable padding for your laptop. That too in this price segment, it can easily accommodate a 15-inch laptop, but I doubt it would be a fit for a 17-inch one. So for 15-inch laptop, it's good to go. The laptop holder is fully covered with thick soft foams in 360 degree and a large foam in back side. So if you guys drop the bag with your laptop inside it, I'm sure it will absorb every bit of shock and provide you ultimate protection. Okay guys, now we'll be drop testing this bag with my laptop and see what happens to my laptop. Here is my laptop. Here we go. Just kidding guys, I'm not going to take this risk now, as this bag cannot protect my laptop to its fullest. As a matter of fact, none of the bags will. They can only provide moderate level of protections and reduce damage. So the moral is, even with any bag you have to keep your laptop safely. And we'll be continuing on with the video. With the holder's padding, I'm sure you guys can see the bottom of the bag. It too is covered with the same eye level padding I mentioned before. So we here at Override guarantee you guys that you cannot find this kind of protection in a bag even if you spend double the money as this one. If you guys are wondering about the price, wait, I'll tell you guys in the later part of the video. Now moving on to the second compartment. We have one zip here, which is well hidden inside this sleeve, as this is supposed to be an anti-theft zip too. Opening it, we have the second compartment with a tablet holder and a reasonable space to store stuff. And it also has some pockets in which my hard disk can easily fit, and some pen holders too. I would say not bad for a second compartment, as the tablet holder is pretty spacious and easy to access. Plus we cannot forget the anti-theft zips, right? Now at last we have the third compartment. We have a normal zip in this compartment. This compartment is fully openable like this. Now this compartment is fully waterproof. In our testing, even in a heavy rain, no amount of water is slipped inside. So this is the right compartment to store important stuff. But the problem is, this compartment is not an anti-theft one and it is easily accessible, which in my opinion is the biggest letdown in this backpack. Other than this, this compartment too is reasonably spacious and has some straps and pockets to hold stuff. And in the exterior of this compartment, there is another zip, which again is an anti-theft one, which is small but you can store documents and other stuff here. It can easily fit my hand. I'm sure you guys can perceive the space here. So that's it with the bag. With this we have covered every aspect about the bag. Okay guys, overall you cannot find this good of a laptop bag in this price segment, which is just 1899 INR. I assure you guys that this bag is worth your money. This bag is available in Amazon. I'll give the links in the description, so check it out. Keep in mind, there are some negative reviews about this bag in Amazon saying that these straps would be coming off. This is the reason why I was being skeptical while purchasing it. But after using it for a while, I have not faced this issue. I'm sure it will not be coming off any sooner because they are strong. So just go ahead and purchase it. And that will be the end of the video. If you guys like the video, then like the video. For more useful content, stay connected and subscribe to this channel. And do follow us on Instagram. Okay guys, we'll be meeting in the next one. See you.